name's Matt Cole from Cole Excavating Services in Carlinville, Illinois. We've been in business for about 20 years, and we do general grading, a lot of ag work, a lot of just dirt and rock work. We just traded our TR310B for a brand new one, and we really enjoy the machine. It's comfortable, it's quick, has good visibility. We've had very good reliability with it. We're looking forward to going around again with a new one. And our plans with the machine are we do a lot of rock and dirt grading and general skid steer kind of work. We use it in our field tiling operation, and we use it for cleaning up behind the bulldozer and making things look nice before things are seeded.